Hi, I'm Meredith Tomlinson, and I'm here with Zane Taylor of the Majestic Theatre in Downtown Chillicothe, and we're here to talk to Zane about this beautiful theater that we have in our community and what it has to offer. So tell us a little bit about the Majestic and kind of what you want to let the community know that it has to offer.
So the Majestic, it's got a deep history. It's been around since 1853, but I think it's just grown and it's kind of piggybacked, and we've all kind of just got on each other's shoulders and just kind of built upon each other. It's like I said, it's got this deep history, but now it's 2020.
Yeah.
So we're modernizing a bit, and we're growing, and it's a wonderful theater, and it's kind of just. This past year, it's just grown and grown and grown, and more people in the community have reached out to have events here, and the Majestic has been putting on more events. So
sure. And you guys added on last year, within the past couple years. So you do have like a newer addition to it, which is a great space, and then you also have the courtyard. So there's a lot of opportunity, like you mentioned, for the community to utilize all that you guys have done to update and modernize and really make it a place that people can enjoy.
Yeah, because right now we're actually sitting in what was the original lobby.
Right.
So this was kind of the lobby area, and this is still how you would enter to get to the balcony seats, but we've probably quadrupled the size of this lobby.
Mm-hmm.
So it's a great space.
Absolutely. And you mentioned before we started filming that volunteers is a big thing that you want to let the community know if they're interested in doing that. Give us a little bit of information about that.
Yeah, so you can go online to our website, majesticchillicothe.net.
Okay.
You can fill out a volunteer form, and we also, anytime there's an event, we're always looking for volunteers, so you can work in ticket sales, concession, whatever it may be, but just reach out any way you can. You can get a hold of me on Facebook, you can get a hold of the Majestic on Facebook, you can go to our website and just volunteer, because it's amazing how many hands go into putting on a show. Typically we have about 12 volunteers just doing tickets and scanning tickets and concessions, as well as the people putting on the production and the sound as well. So it takes a lot of hands, but many hands make light work.
It takes a village. It does in our community, and this is a very iconic building to have in our community, and to be able to keep utilizing it, and like I said, and you said, growing and modernizing it, and be able to use it for a lot of different things, whether it's for a movie or just an event in general. I think it's just so multifunctional that you could use it in a lot of different ways depending on what that is.
Right.
And then you guys obviously have the courtyard. That's part of that too, if somebody needs an outdoor space.
Right, so and the Majestic is available to rent, and also just doing partnerships with the community. We've done something with the Mighty Kids Museum. We did the Polar Express showing, as well as like the ice rink, and it was kind of this whole kind of conglomeration of two different entities kind of coming together to put something on for the community, and we are like all in on everything. That's great. So, and again, we have the courtyard for rent, we have the theater for rent, and then as well as the lobby area as well.
Absolutely. Well, there's a lot of amazing things that can happen in this theater, and you guys have a lot of great events coming up, so we'll definitely keep you in touch with that and post that as they come in March, you said. So stay tuned for those details and keep a watch out for that. Where can people stay most up to date on your events? On your Facebook page, or? So
our Facebook page is always going to be updated with the events that as they come, and then our website as well, which is majesticchillicothe.net.
Okay, awesome. Thanks, Zane. Appreciate it.
Yeah.